Hello everybody. Today's a very special video, you see, because it's Halloween. And since it's Halloween, we're gonna celebrate. Ara, do you know how we're gonna celebrate?
We're gonna do some stuff on the board. Right?
We're gonna make a spooky longboard.
Yes, sir.
You heard them, that's right. We're gonna customize this longboard deck right here that I made a while ago to make it be like a Halloween build thing. Pretty much.
Halloween themed.
Yep. Then at the end of the video, you'll find out what to do to win this longboard.
That's right. You, the viewer at home, you can take home this beauty right here.
Well, not just that, like the trucks and wheels attached
and the trucks
to
and
it.
wheels and stuff, guys.
A beautiful
Don't worry.
longboard.
Very beautiful.
We'll tell you about it later.
So the way I built this deck was I cut this wood right here. It's just wood, I don't know. But I took a template and cut it. I'll put links to longboard templates in the description if you want to make some. Alright guys, so what this longboard is, we have some Bones red bearings inside. Oh, we actually took these bearings off of our skateboard.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, you're gonna get Ara's well-used bearings. They spin very well, as you can see.
Alright,
But inside, around it is 62 millimeter Kryptonics since 1965 wheel. They're not that bad. We have some pretty nice used Adam Longboards trucks that we took off of one of my boards with some Diamond Supply Co., I think, or Dimebag Hardware, something like that. Bushings inside in pink, and they're soft, so they'll turn very well. And then we have hardware that we need to go buy. But now that you know what's in this longboard, you're gonna have to start customizing it by using tape and paint. So the first step is to put tape here. Alright, so now that it's taped very well, you go spray paint it. So let's go do that.
We just showed them that we drew.
Okay everybody, boys and girls, male and female, dogs and cats. Actually not cats, but mostly just dogs.
We hate cats.
Okay. They're okay. Alright, but what you gotta do is you put the longboard on something that won't get paint on it, or that will get paint on it but you don't care about. You take the spray paint, and you just go like, and then you're done. We let it dry, and we'll be back in like an hour. Okay guys, since you've last seen me, I've gained 6 inches. Just kidding. Alright, so once your paint's dry, you take off the tape. Alright, the tape's off.
Interesting.
Now,
He says want to.
now what?
Draw the eyes, right?
Now we draw eyeballs. So
Then
you
I make,
take
like, sideways triangles.
your acrylic paint and you use vermilion. It has to be vermilion, otherwise you're a criminal.
We'll arrest you at
Oh,
your
I've never
house.
actually used vermilion before. Alright, put some on something. Dude, what the heck?
What?
You just bumped it and I spilled like a ton of paint.
Oh, my bad.
Stuff's expensive and paint's expensive. Alright, once you're done painting,
This is valuable equipment.
Also, do you think I'm uncultured that I don't
Yes.
watch Bob Ross?
Yes.
you take a pencil and you start drawing the arms. Let's redo this. Like,
Why are we teaching them how to build the board we're giving away?
because people
we're
can
weird
follow
like
along
that.
at home.
We're quirky like that, Ara.
No, we're... Dude, the paint!
Dry it off quick.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
I think there might have been some paint on like your shoulder or your like
On my hands.
yeah, or something.
That actually looks cool. It looks like he bled.
No, we'll make it work. There are no mistakes in art, according to all great artists.
Yeah, I don't think you should add more though.
We should like a little bit of green too.
Much. Green.
Yeah, because like mold on the dead body.
Just
It's gonna be a zombie
No,
skeleton ghost.
I mean the green.
I know what you mean.
Zombie skeleton ghost mummy.
What's the black for?
For the arms. Okay, people. Now you draw the arms. Alright guys, the paint has dried. It looks pretty epic.
I love it.
So now we gotta put on the grip tape. I got this grip tape roll because it looks like a mummy thing. So yeah, let's put it on. Okay, boys and girls, we got the mummy board. It's bloody over here. It looks sick. Real blood. I had a bloody nose. Actually, no, we punched Ard just to do this.
Yeah, we let him bleed all over from his blister.
Our signatures right here. Very limited edition. Very, very sells for
And one
$10
Armenian
someday.
signature.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I should get the.
All right, guys, we have the deck right here. I'll set up the camera right here. Oh shoot! It's like hella flexing. Ready for this?
Dude, this longboard actually looks really cool.
Here, wait, get off. Let me try.
Good.
Comment down below. Will it snap?
It's actually good.
Well, it's riding. Don't break. Oh, you can't even see it. You
Wait,
still
should we
can't see
put something
anything.
on the bottom to make it sturdier or something?
Like-
Yeah, alright, try.
Yeah. Make sure to. Okay. It's completely Halloween themed.
Oh no.
I can't see anything.
Oh no. Oh, actually, it's not flexing that much, Ferrara.
Oh, this actually feels good.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want to ride this. It's too scary.
No, it's not scary at all.
Wait, do you think we should put like another layer of plywood underneath it?
Yes. Then we'll make sure to choose someone.
Okay,
not
Warren, don't die.
It's actually
Oh,
gonna
no,
snap.
I just heard that noise.
I heard that.
Let's put a 2x4 under it.
Comment down below. Should we put stuff on it to make it better? All right, guys, we're out here on a nighttime walk, just walking around, you know,
Wait, Warren.
like we do.
Can you even see anything?
Saw a meteor over there,
Wait, look at. Can you see anything?
kind of.
No.
Not really.
We need to use flash. Do you
Yeah,
have
it looks
flash?
super sus.
Here, I'll do this.
Oh, hang on, trust me, I know what to
Here.
do.
Here, wait.
You let Warren do it. Let Warren do it. Okay.
You want the light?
Okay, guys. Wait, zoom in on me. Okay. So we're gonna go into the woods, and we're gonna look for some spooky stuff and see what happens.
Well, no, we already have a hut there. We're just gonna show you guys because it's kind of cool. All right. So
And maybe it will be spooky.
maybe.
Just maybe.
Maybe.
We should like get a light because they make lights that connect to GoPros.
Okay, Ari, you lead the way because you're the big boy football player,
Yep,
Okay.
I'm the
Who's
bigger
gonna be
boy
safety?
ex-football player.
and I am the.
Look how sketch this looks.
You're the guy. Hey, come on.
Keep going, bro.
It looks
Don't
sketch.
be a scaredy.
I need to make it look
Guys,
scarier.
I'm the person in the back who gets eaten by the bear. Okay?
Wait, no, Ezra, come up front so you can show up in the camera.
I'm trying to.
But then I'm scared to be.
Wait, we
No, I'm
need to in
kidding.
the back. In the front, I mean.
Alright, you guys see what's going on?
Look over
Wait,
there.
like show, like.
It's just
Tell me
black.
that-
Focus more on this than
It's just
that,
black.
'cause that's
Oh, okay.
Daniel's back.
Dude,
There's
you-
like
no,
a
dude,
swamp
Dude,
over
we're literally just walking in blackness right now.
Lead the way.
Okay. It's actually kind of scary.
That's why we're
Oh.
doing it, alright?
Wait, show the staircase, Warren. Show the
Look
staircase.
at that creepy staircase. And look.
Would you go in
spooky
here for
Look at that.
$10,000?
$10,000 go down there, viewers.
Alright.
Okay, okay.
I will give you the results of my linguistics study if you don't.
I mean, you're already gonna tell us.
Yeah, I know. That's kind of a scam. Dude, I will give you Jose's SoundCloud account.
What's in here?
What's
There's a
Dude,
this
I
sketchy
can't see
chain link
anything.
fence.
Show the
right
light
here.
over here.
There's just like a.
Hi guys.
Hey weirdos, Warren here. This is the conclusion of our video. So we're gonna tell you that you can get this longboard if you subscribe, and after you subscribe, you comment down below saying I want the longboard.
Yep. And if you want to increase your chances of getting it, contact us through Twitter, contact us through Instagram, come to our house and throw a rock through our window.
Don't do that, but you can knock on our door. It's
Yeah.
broken, so we can't answer it.
Yeah.
And also, once you do win it, we will include the support thing, which I need to paint still.
For free. We
For an
will
extra
include-
12, no, just
No,
kidding.
For free.
For free, because this whole thing's free. We'll pay shipping and handling and tax.
We'll ship it ourselves.
Yeah, we will drive to your house.
Or we could schedule a mutual meetup, whatever you guys
Yeah.
want.
Yeah, whatever you guys want, we will accommodate.
We will literally do anything you can think of.
Winner will be announced on Thanksgiving Day.
Yes, we will announce the
Winner will be announced on Thanksgiving, guys.
Yeah, so make sure to subscribe and comment if you want to be entered in.
But yeah, see ya.